Hello friends, here I welcome you to my channel. Myself Bindu Agarwal. I have completed my BTech from Jorhat Engineering College, Assam and MTech from IIT Guwahati, and currently I am pursuing PhD from IIIT Guwahati. And my area of research is this computer architecture only, and I have got 20 plus years of teaching experience, and I have taught this subject computer organization and architecture many times in this 20 years of my teaching span. And that my research area in computer architecture is basically in memory design. That memory design means how to design your cache memory for uh, uh, applications where data requirement is of high demand, right? And the next is about our subject. Our computer organization architecture is a core subject in our BTech curriculum, right? And it is a very important subject because only by doing coding we cannot succeed, because we can do good coding only when we know the underlying hardware that is being used for executing it. So if we know about our hardware, we know their interlinks, how they are connected, what they are going to impact if we write this type of code or that type of code, then we can become a good programmer. So computer architecture has a bigger role in deciding that, right? Here in this course, we are going to learn the various components of our computer. So basically in this course, we'll be looking at main memory design, how the main memory is designed, how the cache memory is designed, how the processor is executing one instruction, what are the facts are there, why we are writing this type of instruction, all these things will be there. Then how we are interacting with the input output devices, what is the instruction, and all the beginning part will be that. So we'll be going through the whole journey of our computer system, and in that journey we are going to dig each of the components, the bigger components present in our computer system. Basically, we are going to see processor. Inside processor, we'll see control unit design, then your ALU, the registers, and then our memory, and then input output devices. These things we are going to see in this course, computer organization and architecture. So please please go through my videos, and wherever you find there is scope of improvement, please reach out to me. My mail ID is bindu, bindu dot azarwl @gmail.com. Your suggestions will help me a lot in improving the videos. Thank you all, and wishing you all a happy journey, happy learning. Thank you.